Top important things to know about space. How will we breathe if we live on Mars? The atmosphere on Mars is made up mostly of carbon dioxide, so we could never breathe there on our own. Luckily, some really clever people are working on all these glitches. NASA is developing a special instrument that will use electric currents to release the oxygen molecules from the carbon dioxide. If this works, they could effectively turn the unbreathable air into air that can sustain life. How long did Neil Armstrong spend on the moon? Only 12 people have been on the moon, spending a total of about 2 hours and 37 minutes each. Edgar Mitchell spent 33 hours, collecting samples, and David Scott drove the first moon rover during Apollo 15. What happens if an astronaut gets sick? Astronauts are closely monitored and undergo health checks before space travel. Quarantine prevents carrying germs. Plans exist to swiftly return them to Earth by capsule if needed, even for medical emergencies like appendicitis. What is a light year? A light year measures distance as lights travel in a year. It's about 9 trillion kilometers. Sun's 150 million miles away, and sunlight takes 8.3 minutes to reach Earth at 300,000 kilometers per second speed. Can you fly through a gaseous planet in a rocket? Gaseous planets are ones that are made up mostly of gas. That sounds like something you could easily fly through, but that is not the case. The cores of these planets are generally solid and made up of iron, nickel and rock. But you'd never even get that far, and anyway the temperature near these cores is hotter than the sun, and the pressure is much higher than any spaceship could manage, around 50 to 100 million times more than the atmospheric pressure on Earth.